Okay, hi everyone, it's Jefford again from Rubik's Academy. Okay, so today we are going to look at a stock that has been widely talked about, especially when it comes to fighting the COVID-19 virus. All right, this is a company, it's a well-known medical company, it's a well-known medical research company as well, it's a medical drugs company as well, and the name of this company is called Gilead Sciences Incorporated, which is, yes, it's that same Gilead that is actually being endorsed by the American President Donald J. Trump for supposedly being able to come up with a treatment or even a vaccine that is effective against the COVID-19 virus. All right, so without further ado, let's go straight into it. Now, this is the chart for Gilead Science. All right, now you can see that over here, all right, this column, which is something that I'm personally very impressed with trading.You. Okay, I don't get any commission from them, but I'm genuinely impressed. They try their best to sum up the fundamentals for you. All right, how Gilead is doing as a market, all that. But honestly, overall, you can see that it's pretty good. All right, and you can see over here, this is the all-time chart. All right, this is the all-time chart. The market reaction towards Gilead has been very prompt. All right, whenever Donald J. Trump says Gilead this, Gilead that, it's their vanguard against the virus, Gilead stocks will stall. But the thing is, I'm not sure how long that will last, because there will come a point whereby if nothing is produced, nothing effective actually comes out against the virus and the economy is suffering, Gilead stocks will probably drop back. All right. But as of now, yes, it's pretty good. The fundamentals are looking pretty good, okay, because at least Gilead has come out with a sort of a drug for COVID-19. How effective it is, only time will tell. Only time will tell exactly how effective this Gilead drug is, okay? Fundamentally, you can see that there is, all right, let me just zoom in. Fundamentally, you can see that there has been a crossing over, all right, which is the signaling of probably could be a bullish start. All right, but I'm very cautious because I have no idea how effective this new Gilead drug is, and honestly, the situation in America is not really looking exactly optimistic against the virus. So I'm very carefully bullish for this one. Very careful bull. I'm not a strong bull on this one, but yes, I'm a net bull on this stock. I'm a net bull on Gilead Sciences because at least they have something, at least, all right, and sometimes that's what people need. They need hope, okay, and we all know the stocks market is a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you believe in it, it tends to go up, all right. So as of now, I'm a very careful and cautious bull on Gilead Sciences Incorporated. Now, with that being said, we still need to look at the technicals, all right. Again, for RSI, nothing much. It's close to overbought, but not in overbought zone yet. So, okay. We still got a bit of room to go. All right, for the IADX, you can see that although the previous trend has died now, the previous trend was a bearish trend, but the new trend is picking up right here. Okay, sorry, right here. All right, this is the new trend. It's picking up. It's 45 degrees going upwards. So there is a advent of a bullish trend for Gilead Sciences. All right. Now, with that being said, okay, let's go right to it. Let's go to the 3-month chart. We now know that my thinking process is that, okay, I'm thinking I'm a very careful bull, but yes, net bull for this company stock. Let's go to the 3-month chart. I only go for the all-time chart and the 3-month chart. That's all. All right. Now. Okay, we start to take a look. Again, we go to RSI. Now you can see that on the 3-month chart, the RSI is creeping towards overbought zone, suggesting that maybe, just maybe, this stock in terms of technicals is due for a slight correction. Because I'm net bulls, that's why I'm saying that, slight correction. And then, but on the ADX, you can see, whoa, the trend is strong in this one, very strong. The GMMA multiple moving average is also pointing to the start of a bullish trend. All right. However, the problem is, okay, you can see that there is a clear resistance at $85 or $85.80. Very clear resistance. Why is it clear? Because one, count with me, one, and then two, and then three tops. All right, three tops. they have been formed with this level. So it's a pretty strong resistance level. All right. And the other criteria I know is that it has been a resistance level since 18th March 2020 all the way till now, which is about 2 months. This resistance has held for 2 months. Okay. So it's a pretty strong level. All right. And right now the problem is, even though I'm a very careful bull, the thing is I haven't seen any correction on this trend. So how do I go in? I can't go in. Look at it. It's been white candles all the way. Every day is ending with a net positive. Every day is closing on a high for this stock. So how do I go in? The answer is straight and simple. There's no way to go in for a long to long this stock right now. You can't. There is no, at least in my opinion, you cannot really go in for a long as of now. All right. If you go in for a long now, your risk to reward ratio will suck. It will suck so bad. Okay. So really, it's not worth it to go for a long. All right, what you can do, however, is you can wait for this area, which is a clear resistance. All right, now this is how price action is. If Gilead reaches that level and it manages to break the resistance level, whenever a key level is broken, whether it's support or resistance, whenever a key level is broken, the prevalent trend will tend to have a bit of correction. Why? Because people use resistance and support as a way to take profit. So if you were previously in long for this stock, when it reaches the resistance level and it breaks the resistance level, you will cover your position and then you will sell your stocks. So that's why whenever a key level is broken, you will see correction on the prevalent trend. So what you can do is wait for this stock to go all the way up here, break the resistance level, come back to this level again. That means it breaks past this level. It breaks past this level. All right. And then it retraces back down to this level, to the previous support. So you will be what we call a resistance turn support. That is where you can go for the long, and that is where your risk to reward ratio will be excellent. All right. Okay, for now, I don't see a way to go in long for this stock. I don't see a way, at least not technicals. I don't see a way because the bull is just starting. It hasn't really formed a wave yet. It's very difficult to go in now and get a good risk to reward ratio. So this wouldn't be the instrument that I choose. All right, for me, risk to reward ratio is the foremost important concern for me, because risk to reward ratio is consistent throughout my entire portfolio. It's something that I can apply to every single instrument that I go into. All right, that's why risk to reward ratio is my foremost concern. If the risk to reward ratio is not ideal, it sucks at the moment, I'm not gonna go in. That's why I'm not gonna go in for this particular pair. And since I'm a net bull, I'm a bull for this particular company stock, I'm not gonna go into short. I'm not going to go into short this stock. I'm not going to borrow scripts to short this stock. Doesn't make sense. It goes against what I believe in, what I believe will be the trend. All right. So I'm sorry, but for those of you who want to buy this stock, now is not the time. It's not the time. Wait for what I just said. Hit the resistance, break the resistance, and then retrace back down to the resistance turned support. That is where you can go in again and get an excellent stop loss to take profit level, a good risk to reward ratio. All right, subscribe to my videos, watch my whole series so that you know what I'm talking about. What is risk to reward ratio? What is a good entry point? What is my thinking process when it comes to entering the market? All right, and most important of all, Rubik's Academy, we have other courses, other adult courses. We have an adult academy. We cater to adult learning. All right. We have other courses. I'll be interviewing other experts from other fields except for excluding finance. And then from there, all right, you can actually gain a lot more knowledge in the other domains, in other knowledge domains. All right. Remember, at Rubik's Academy, we don't just want you to be wealthy, because having wealth alone is not going to give you a happy life. We want to give an all-rounded education to adults. All right. Have every single element, every single factor in your favor. All right, so thank you very much. This is Jefford again from Rubik's Academy. I'm looking forward to the next video with you guys. Remember, subscribe, subscribe, and subscribe. Thank you.